My dear boys and girls, I am of the opinion that you must be very attentive. You are going to appear in GRE. In other words, we call it Graduate Record Examination. This test is, I'm of the opinion, this test is for PID and field students. And it is quite clear, it is very evident that the examiner or the interviewer require lot of knowledge, prudence, skill, craftsmanship, because you are trying to have PID degree and field degree. Some students are of the opinion that it is not great need of a hard work, that they shouldn't need any kind of hard work. But so far as I understand, this requires a lot of practice, lot of skill, lot of craftsmanship and lot of experience. It is quite clear that the students who want to win crown, who want to get success, definitely they should try to grip that way GRE. If you ask me what is GRE, I no doubt it means Graduate Record Examination. But it also means your quickness, your ready-wittedness. In this context, I would like to tell you one thing. What is GRE? No doubt GRE means Graduate Record Examination. But one thing is quite clear. That if you ask me what is GRE, I say time. In America, a student asks in GRE class, "Sir, what is GRE?" He in response said, "Time." If you can do it. Again, that if the second student asked the same question, "Sir, could you tell us what is GRE? What are the tactics, what are the planning, what are the maneuvering which we should try to use?" And teacher in response say, "Time." Now the question arises, do you think that GRE requires time? It's a game of time. It's a game of vocab. It's a game of practice. And some students who are living in the world that everything they have without their struggle, without their effort, without their practice, without their hard work. Actually, you are trying to have PID or MPhil degree. This is not an easy degree. It's difficult. And on top of that, after doing your MPhil or PID, your future will be bright, very prosperous. You will become opulent, man of luxury and things like that. But for that they require from you lot of effort, lot of struggle, lot of craftsmanship, lot of sarcastic thing like that. So, in short, I am of the opinion that what is GRE? GRE means time. What is GRE? GRE means vocab. It's a game of vocab. It's a juggling of words. And on top of that, GRE requires technique. GRE requires technique. You know, in this context, I would like to tell you, I would like to explain you the technique. If you master the technique, then definitely you can perform very good. I mean that way thing. For instance, I am of the opinion that I would like to tell you that you need, for instance, if you read one question, and I am of the opinion, so far as I know, the answer of this question is also in the question, in your question. But how you can search it? You can search it with the help of your technique. And what is you are master in technique, then definitely it will become very easy for you. So, sometime one word, sometime one phrase, sometime one clause, sometime punctuation, sometime grammar as well plays one of the most essential roles. Normally, students of GRE think that grammar doesn't need, but I am of the opinion you need grammar, you need punctuation, no doubt you need vocab. It's a game of vocab, but without it there are some other things which are needed. So let us start, I mean that way. First of all, I would like to tell you which one I would like to start. First of all, I would like to start with that of the sentence equivalence. Normally students feel that it's difficult, but it is not. Then there is another thing, that is text completion. Is that clear? And then comprehension, thing like that. So I have met with many students who have who couldn't achieve in their entry test. It is because of the fact that they are hasty in appearing that way GRE test. Because GRE means your bright future. GRE doesn't mean that you are going to have master degree. Anyhow, I will start with that of the sentence equivalence.